My second process is investment casting, also known as lost wax casting. The typical products are jewelry, sculptures, and machinery components. It is a very old process developed over 5,500 years ago and can trace back its roots to the ancient Egypt and China. This is the diagram of the process. Here, a molten wax is injected into a metal or rubber die. The wax pattern is removed from the die. This is the wax pattern. Many wax patterns are assembled on a tree like this, and this is dipped in a ceramic slurry. This step is done multiple times to get the shell thickness to 5 to 10 millimeters. Then it is placed in a steam autoclave or furnace where it is dewaxed. Then ceramic mold is fired and preheated so that the remaining wax goes away and the ceramic mold becomes more stronger. Then the metal is casted into the ceramic mold. As it solidifies, ceramic shell is removed by vibratory methods. Components are removed from the tree one by one, and they are finished by polishing, grinding, etc. This is the detailed description of the process. There are many advantages of the process, like the freedom of designing complex shapes, and this process is of high accuracy. Disadvantages is that it is a complicated process with several stages and is very energy intensive as it involves stages of heating and processing. I've also talked to industry of Apex Investment Casting, where the lady told me some design consideration which involves that the process is she told me that the process is extremely complex and can produce complex parts with good surface finish, and a wide variety of ferrous and non-ferrous metals are suitable materials for the production. She also told me about the first step of making wax mold, that two things should be kept in mind, which is that no air pockets in the mold and well-joined parts with flame or low temperature so that there are no mold breakages. Other specifications include it allows for small runs of below 100 as well as up to tens of thousands depending on the size of the product. As for the tooling, cost depends on the size, quantity, cost of material, price per gram, finishes, and weight of the piece. For example, if a ring has to be made in brass or bronze, it will cost $10 per piece. If number of pieces are increased above 10, the cost is reduced to $4 per piece. Here is my sample collection of jewelry. That is the lady's ring. Case study done in Apex Investment Casting.